The figure here is two right-angled triangles joined together, back to back. And for the triangle, what is missing here is QR. We have to find from Q to R. But before we find QR, we need to first know QN and know NR. If we know NR and know QN, then we can find QR. Using Pythagoras Theorem, we know the hypotenuse, which is 13 squared, should be equal to the sum of the two sides, which is 12 squared plus QN squared. So now we have 13 squared. Grouping like terms, we have minus 12 squared to be equal to QN squared. 13 squared is equal to 169 minus 144 is equal to QN squared. So 169 minus 144 will result in 25, which is equal to QN squared. So I want QN, not QN squared. I'll have to root both sides. QN squared, then the root of 25. Whatever I do to the left hand side, I do same to the right hand side. So finally, my QN, because square will cancel root, will be equal to 5. So I know QN, which is the base of this triangle, is 5. Also, I'm taking the right triangle. 15 squared, which is the hypotenuse, should be equal to 12 squared plus NR squared. So I have 15 squared when I group like terms minus 12 squared is equal to NR squared. 15 squared will result in 225 minus 144 is equal to NR squared. So 225 minus 144 will be 81 is equal to NR squared. So root of 81 should be equal to NR. Therefore 9 is equal to NR. So now we know NR is 9. Therefore we can now find our QR, where QR is equal to, that is the length of QR, is equal to QN, the length of QN plus that of NR. The length of QN that we found was 5 plus NR was 9. That results in 14. So with these two right angled triangles which have been joined back to back, finding the base of the whole two, we broke it into two parts. We found the base of the first one, which is the QN, using Pythagoras, the hypotenuse and the height. Then we found the base of the second one, which is the NR, using Pythagoras, which is the hypotenuse and the height. After which we added QN and NR, giving us 14. So whichever unit they might put there, you just have to work with that unit. But this is how to solve similar problems like this.